So Owen's saying he's drunk after one drink and he won't get another drink with me. So I'm going to be drinking alone. So I'm the only one that's going to crack on.
Right now. Oh shit. Look at that hair. Fuck. Oh, day number 1. What is the plan for the day?
We're going for breakfast and then we're going to Anne Frank's house.
Anne Frank's house, and then we're going to go to the Heineken experience.
Yeah.
And then we booked a speakeasy somewhere as well, so.
And dinner, yeah. So jam-packed day.
We're going to be flat out. Breakfast. Look at that. Buzzing. It's so nice, isn't it?
Yeah, so we're staying in the 9 Strages, which is like the 9th street.
So, yeah.
So there's like loads of really, really nice shops and stuff.
Here we are, Anne Frank. Frank's house. You're not supposed to record in there, but
I think you might have a sneaky one, did you?
Yeah, I got a few sneaky videos,
yeah,
but
it's really
not
sad.
too much. It is very sad, isn't it?
Kind of like a sad way to start Saturday morning. But now we're gonna just explore, and then we have Heineken at 3, so we've loads of time. It's about 12 now, so we're just gonna explore.
Go see what's going on.
Go shopping.
Here we are, just walking down the canal.
We should maybe just get some. So we just got a nice photo taken here on the canal. There's those going on. Those people on bikes. And we're just going to make our way to the Heineken now. Anything to say?
Not much. I'm
getting a gorgeous day, isn't it? It's so sunny.
We actually got a lovely day. It was meant to rain again. It's always meant to rain when we go on holidays.
Oh yeah.
Even in Thailand, but yeah. Sunny day. It's crisp. Right here, see it. We have just entered the Heineken experience. Ready to go? So we just finished our visual tour, and we're going to go make some of our own Heineken bottles now. Put our name on them, so this is deadly. Let's try it over. That was class.
Yeah, that was the highlight.
It was actually deadly, definitely the highlight so far, but we're coming down into the metro now, and it goes so far down. So we have just arrived for dinner in, what's the name of the place?
Cannonball Royale.
Royale,
so it's like a steakhouse. The tomahawk.
Tomahawk. They don't do T-bone, so we're going to go for a tomahawk maybe. We're going to share. Hopefully they have cool pepper sauce as well, because we're all about that here.
Cheers.
So day number 2.
And put up.
Oh Jesus.
Oh, it's too late.
I know, we've just arrived at the Mako Museum here. It's meant to be Mako, whatever it is. It's meant to be a sensual experience.
Essential?
Yeah, sensual experience.
Is it?
Yeah, that's what I've been told, yeah.
Yeah, it's a modern art museum.
Yeah, should be cool. Loads of Banksy stuff, interested in seeing.
Yeah, there's like a light display thing.
Yeah. Cool. We're just on the way down into the digitally immersive part, so this should be interesting.
So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out cause you kept cutting the cord, and it started to fade.
Yeah, got a new jacket, but Emma decided she needs to wear it in the rain, so
It's what
how can I say no? so tight. So we are currently in the red light secrets in Amsterdam.
Yeah, we're learning all about the trick of the trade.
Yeah. Oh god, it is funny, it's gas. I thought I'd get a few kill shots, right, of the protests up here, and I was flying around and we had a bird strike. Hold that here.
So Owen's after breaking his drone. And I came out from, I was in H&M buying a scarf. And I came out and he was walking away from the police, so I thought he got a fucking fine. And it's literally absolutely... Our time in Amsterdam's just coming to an end.
Yeah. We're just making our way back to the train station now. RIP the drone.
Oh, beef.
RIP.
RIP, drone of Canada.
Rip my